Off with my personal views. My name, I am Aditya Gupta. I am currently pursuing my BCom honors from Calcutta University, and I just appeared for my exams last month. And let's start off with the SAP FICO training. So I got to know about SAP FICO module about from my uncle who lives in Mumbai, and he is also a CA, chartered accountant. So he suggested me to do this course. So I searched for the institute in SAP FICO in Kolkata itself. So I found your academy named as UN IT ERP Academy. So I enrolled here and started my training. During the training, we learn many things like how it works, how accounting works in the real based scenario. During the training, we face some doubts and problems which were resolved by our teacher, that is Kalul sir. And I looked at him very thoroughly while he was solving our problems. And from him, I observed that carefully. And from after one to two errors, I started resolving errors of my own by looking at its description, etc. And after that, we just learned new things from him, not the errors, because I used to resolve the errors by myself only. And during the training, we used to hear about the ASAP methodology. ASAP methodology. I was curious what is ASAP methodology, so I googled it and searched it and asked the color sir about it, and found out that ASAP methodology is a methodology used but for the SAP consultants to make the process, make the implementation during the project easier for a smooth flow of the project. So in ASAP methodology, there are 5 stages. The first one is the uh, meetings regarding the how the project should be created, what are the names should name to the and various things should be given, etc. So from the first meeting, um, uh, we suggested a name for our project named as the Team Surya, and after that we discuss about what the name should be, what the etc etc etc. And from the next step, we were given to create a BBP, a business blueprint, regarding all the details of the project that should be created. And in the third meeting, we started the realization process, that is what we written on the BBP or what we discussed in the first two meetings should be started sorry in the system itself. And we started preparing for it and started our project Team Surya under the captaincy or leadership, I'll say, under the Sunit Sao, our head mentor, and Mrinalda. They two leaded us for the completion of the project, and we started our project. So they assigned various tasks to everybody, and I was one of the I was the member who was given the task to do the task also and collect all the details from others, because I was the only student and they all were working. So I was given a task to collect it from everywhere. So I was given the task like the TDS preparation, the implementation activities included in TDS, and petty cash book, and like that. So I completed that, and under their leadership, and after a few days, I guess like 15 to 20 days, we completed our project, and under their leadership. So we completed the project and submitted to the sir. During the project, we faced two problems, I guess. Yeah, two problems. The first one named as document splitting. So at first, we referred it to Kalul sir because I wasn't able to resolve the problems, and even the Kalul sir was not able to recognize what the problem was there. So I googled it and searched from there, and there didn't got any solution for it. So I started thinking about it of myself, and that problem was, I guess, software issue. So I resolved it by here and there, and somehow I managed to get the solution of the project. We that is I unticked the document splitting, and then we started the uh, and then we find it solution. And the next problem was during the creation of vendor and data master, sorry, vendor and customer master. Okay. And yeah, few problems were there, so we found it themselves. So I found it very grateful for our UN IT ERP Academy for giving us the project and helping us completion of the project. And we completed the project successfully last month. And from the few 2 weeks, we are preparing a project report and submitted it by yesterday. So thank you.